What's up guys, I'm back with another guitar mod video. This is a guitar I bought off eBay. Well, it's an ESP LTD. Came with the actual hard shell case. It's pretty cool. That soda sticker. Graduated Villanova University in 2023. Must have been a gamer and a skateboarder. Yeah, let's check it out. What we have here is an LTD EC-256. Very budget, but also very good. This is one of the older ones. Let's see, it's made in Vietnam, 2016. When they still had rosewood fretboards. Now, I got it pretty cheap. Like even by this guitar, its standards, it's pretty cheap. Even with the case, it was cheap. Because evidently the electronics do not work at all. And this is what was in the case whenever I bought it. Got a Hendrix strap. Pretty cool. Some Diodario acoustic guitar strings. And a can of Camel Snooze Mellow. Oh shit. Huh. Cool. Can always use more picks. Dunlops. Dude, hell yeah. Shit, that'll work. Bought the guitar a while back, but I never actually opened the damn thing. Well, opened a case before, you know, duh, but never opened this thing before because I'm like, I don't fucking dip. Huh. I was wondering, shit. That's cool. Well, I was on the fence of either keeping it or selling it because I bought it a while back. Never really did anything with it. But I figured, you know what? I sold the black and silver soloist. I kept the electronic side of it, so I might see about sticking the EMG 5766 TW set in this one and see how it goes. Well, let's get started. First off, gotta remove the strings. But just love it when they overwound it like that. Well, overwound, not bad, overwound. Yeah, these gotta go. Also, string winders are your friend. Well, I got the strings off. This is actually a really nice guitar. I mean, it's a little beat up, you know, here and there. It got little scuffs and whatnot. But honestly, it's not bad guitar, shit. Gotta be cleaned up and stuff. Messing the truss rod cover. And the switch tab. But, you know, all that's gonna be replaced anyway, so no biggie. Anywho, let's get down to turn it down. Or apart. Either or. This guitar must have got wet or something because this post, the anchor for the tailpiece, was a little stiff but not gritty. This one is real stiff. Feels almost like they used Teflon or something on it, but I don't see Teflon, so my guess is they must have got the guitar wet and fried something. I don't know. No idea what the hell that is, but that's what was sticking in there. That's not weird at all. So yeah, whatever the hell that stuff is on that screw, it's on the inside of the cavity. And especially near the push-pull tone knob. Ugh. Whatever the hell that is probably what screwed it up. I wouldn't doubt it. And yeah, it's all up in the toggle switch cavity too. Whatever the hell it is, it's sticky. This poor guitar. So yeah, it must have got through the output jack, not the input jack. It just got in it and seeped everywhere inside of it. I wonder if someone deliberately sabotaged this guy's guitar. I don't know. Well, I got it all apart. Or the electronic stuff anyway. Yeah, whatever the hell that was in there is on all of the wiring. It smells weird too. If I wouldn't know any better, I'd say it smelled like that, whatever that snus would smell like. If I was to take a guess. But why would it be all up in there? I have no idea. I don't know. So yeah, this is what I'm working with. Got the EMG 5766 TW pickups, 3-way toggle with an ivory switch tip, the rhythm treble poker chip, all the little hardware bits and bobs, EMG electronic stuff. So yeah, let's get to it. Well, I did a quick mock-up of it to see what it looked like. It looked pretty cool. I did put the pickups in the rings with the springs and screws and stuff, but I didn't attach the rings to the body. It's just sitting there. This is attached to it pretty much all the way. It's just not wired up yet, of course. They're just sitting on there. That looked pretty cool. Well, I did get everything wired up. Everything works like it should. But yeah, I couldn't use the poker chip because it's too thick, so I might have to find like an Epiphone or Gibson specific one that's thinner. Yeah, got push-pull neck, push-pull bridge, and a dummy tone for now because I don't really use the tone. Plus I gotta get another one soon just to have it. Yeah, before I string it up though, gotta clean them frets because yeah. Ugh. But yeah, to do that I might end up taking the pickups out just so I could, not have the shavings get magnetized to the pickups. As you can see, I only put 2 screws per pickup ring, so easy removal. So yeah, I'm gonna get to it. Well, got that seen about. Let's take some ultrafine steel wool, go across it a couple times, and clean the fretboard afterwards. Didn't get it the best, but it's a lot better than what it was and should be. Feels pretty good, Feels smooth. A good way to tell is rub your thumbnail across it. If it's smooth, it'll feel good on the strings. Anywho, now it's time to put the pickups back in it and string it up. Well, got it back together and strung up, tuned up and whatnot. I still have to do a height adjustment, ever so slight height adjustment on the high side because it's a little twangy. But yeah, like usual, these pickups sound amazing both in overdrive and clean tones. I'm gonna have to get a studio thing set up to get some recordings done, because that's one of the things these videos are lacking. Anywho, I decided to go with the black switch tip instead of the ivory one right here, because I don't know, it just sets it off better with the whole aesthetic, the darker aesthetic on it. Other than that, gotta get a truss rod cover for it.